The age-old question: can AI design my living room? Let's find out. I did put together a basic prompt for room itself, furniture, decor, and lighting, and this is what I got. Okay. Let's take a look what it came up with. The living room measures 20 by 15 feet, giving us a total of 300 square feet of space, about average size for modern houses. Chat GPT wants me to put in some nice dark hardwood flooring to give visual contrast to light gray walls. This one is nice. We are going for modern yet comfortable feel. For the sofa, we'll choose a large L-shaped sectional in a light beige color. Chat GPT provides a bit way description of position. Just put in the middle of the room opposite to fireplace. Also no description for fireplace, so I decided to go with basic clean lines. We'll also add 2 matching accent chairs in a soft gray fabric to create a cozy reading nook in one corner of the room. These chairs will be positioned to face each other, with a small side table in between them. In the opposite corner of the room, we'll place a large dark wood coffee table to anchor the space. This will be paired with a light gray area rug to create a defined seating area. We'll add a modern chandelier in the center of the room to provide general lighting. In addition, we'll add some table lamps on the coffee table and the side tables next to the accent chairs to provide more ambient lighting. Finally, we'll add some wall sconces on either side of the fireplace to create a warm, inviting glow. Cozy throw blanket on the sectional to add a pop of color and texture. On the coffee table, we'll add some decorative candles and a stack of coffee table books. We'll also add some framed art on the walls to add some visual interest and personality to the room. So this is a result. In my opinion, quiet, basic design. Next time I'm going to try to specify my prompt more, choose a concrete design style, and give Chat GPT more rules to follow. For more interior design video, please consider subscribing to Rumi Studio.